What is up, YouTube? Today I have a quick tutorial on how to resize a screen recording on iMovie. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the iMovie app. Once you're in the app, you're going to want to create your movie. And then when it's selected, you're going to want to hit the movie itself. Once you hit the movie itself, there should be a little magnifying glass that you see at the top right corner of the movie itself. You're going to want to hit that magnifying glass. And then from here, you're able to pinch to zoom. And if you bring your fingers close, it's going to zoom out for you. And then if you bring your fingers away from each other, it's going to zoom in if you really wanted to do that. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed.